We are at 8,000 subscribers. Oh my gosh! This is so exciting. Thank you guys. Oh my god. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nicole. If you're new here, welcome. And if you like what you see, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I know I've been missing for a little bit. Don't worry, I'm still here. I'm not going anywhere soon, okay? But I honestly want to thank you guys so much for your support, for supporting me so far. I really appreciate it. I'm just about to go do my laundry, and I wanted to come on here and chat with you guys a little bit before I got started. Give you a little update of what's been going on with me. I've been trying to get the business side of this YouTube thing sorted out. Yeah, so I've been getting the business side of this YouTube thing sorted out, and so far I've gotten my business license, my copyright stuff, everything sorted out and stuff like that. But yeah. It's a lot of work, guys, behind the scenes, and if I plan on doing this right, I want to do it the right way. So yeah, I'm just getting all of those things sorted out, and I'm not making any money from YouTube so far, well, as yet. So everything that I've done so far has been out of pocket. And you know, a girl still gotta live. I still have to buy food. I still have to be able to pay my rent and so far. So I still have to balance myself, right? So I do want to get those videos out to you, but I also want to get the business end side sorted out, which I've completed most of what I have to do. And I have gadgets and little stuff like that I have to buy. Right now, honestly guys, I had no intention of doing YouTube. So when I even got my phone, which was a few years ago, I didn't think I wasn't thinking about storage space and all of that. So yeah, so the phone I got, it was like just a little 32 gig storage space. And yeah, I've been using my phone to do videos, guys, if you didn't know that. And honestly, maybe it's the perfectionist in me. I don't feel when I watch back my videos, I don't really like what I see as pertaining to the video quality. And I know a lot of you guys probably don't even care about that. You just want to see me doing videos, which I really appreciate. And I'm happy that you don't really care about that stuff. You just want to see me do what I do, right? But yeah, I want to do it. But I do want to do this and give you guys quality, right? And I feel like I need to upgrade my equipment. I need to get a new phone. I need a camera, and I also need to get a new laptop. I've been trying my hardest to work with what I have so far. I even went as far as to try to upgrade my laptop that I currently have, and but that didn't work out. So I'm definitely gonna have to get a new computer. Yeah, but these are the challenges that I'm having behind the scenes, guys. It's not because I don't want to do this. I do want to do this, and I do enjoy doing it. But yeah, I've just been trying to work around it as best as possible, so I can still be able to live my life and still give you guys content until I start making money from this and it's able to probably cover itself, you know, from YouTube. Because as I said, everything that I've done so far has been out of pocket from my own money. So yeah, I just wanted to bear with me. I've been away for a little bit and I came back and I saw that I'm just over 1,000 subscribers, and I'm so happy and grateful for you guys. You just don't know. Oh my gosh, my voice is cracking up because I had no idea that you guys would have been interested in even watching my content or interested in seeing what I can do or whatever, right? So I'm happy and I'm grateful for each and every one of you. Yeah, but I just felt like coming on here and talking to you guys a little bit. And yeah, thank you. I'm at 1,000 subscribers. It's been what? I started doing this in January, guys, and I can't believe it. I'm so happy though. And I'm happy that you decided to join me on this journey. I'm so grateful for that. Yeah, so stay tuned. I'll be working on trying to get in my new equipments as soon as possible. I'm not sure when yet, because but yeah, but thank you for being here. And I hope you're enjoying what you're getting so far. And I plan on doing probably more vlogging and stuff like that. I did went hiking a few days ago and I captured a little footage. I might just put together a little video for you guys with that as well. But yeah, just, and I also plan on doing some more outdoor activities soon. Yeah, but thank you guys. I really appreciate it, and I'm happy to have you here with me. And yeah, but thank you very much though. I really appreciate it. All right, so I'll see you guys next time. Well, I'm gonna upload that hiking video soon, so maybe in a week or two, probably. I'm not sure how long it's gonna take me to do it, but yeah, I'll try to get it to you as soon as possible. Actually, guys, I just decided to go ahead and give it to you now. So this is where we went. We went to Elora Falls and the Tooth of Time. It is located approximately 1 hour and 45 minutes outside of Toronto, which is pretty close to Kitchener. So yeah, that's where we went, and it was so beautiful, guys. I'm so happy I did this. It's so nice to just go outside and explore sometimes, guys. It's so relaxing, and just to get some fresh air. Turn the lights down low, throw the pillows off the bed, blow the candles out, move your body slow. You got something on your mind, I'ma try to help you let it go. The shirt you gave me, 'cause it reminds me of the times when I was down and you were there to save me, telling me that I'll be fine. Put some music on, turn the lights down low, throw the pillows off the bed, blow the candles out, move your body slow. This spot right here, guys, is called Lover's Leap. When I'm going out, you'll be there. 'Cause everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more. Girl, I think I'm losing my mind. Try to go to work, but I lost track of time. 'Cause everyone keep looking like you. I can't take no more. I
in your body. It hurts so much to think of you as someone else. Can't get enough. So much to think of you as someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Can we stop the clock and rewind? Go back to that moment in time when you say you want me for life. Was it all a lie? I gave my all to deserve you.
Say hey. Ooh, birdie.
Beach turkey.
Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around
Thank you again, guys, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye.